खातिर अपने सत्य के पलड़े को असत्य की ओर झुका देते हैं, तब मेरी आत्मा करा उठती है। लेकिन वो ये ना भूलें कि इस अदालत के सिवा मैं ऊपर वाले की अदालत में भी मौजूद रहती हूँ, जहाँ मैं सिर्फ न्याय करती हूँ और सिर्फ सत्य के गले में विजय का हार पहनाती हूँ और झूठ के गाल पर सजा का तमाचा लगाती हूँ। सत्यमेव जयते।
Exactly. Satyamev Jayate. Truth alone triumphs. And now we'll go.
Akbar the Great, son of King Humayun. I was the youngest to be crowned as a king. At an age of 14, I patronized talented people from different fields as 9 gems. I have combined good points of our religion into a single faith, God Deen Ilahi. My biography, Akbarnama, written by Abul Fazal, gives information about my reign. And at last, I will request you that the respect I have given to all the religions, you also have to step on the same.
Now it's time to present the lady who lived and died for Krishna, his greatest devotee, Mirabai.
पायो जीवन राम रतन धन पायो, पायो जीवन राम रतन धन पायो। वस्तु अमोलक दियो मेरे सतगुरु, वस्तु अमोलक दी मेरे सतगुरु। कृपा करे अपनायो, पायो जीवन राम रतन धन पायो, पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो।
Now we'll welcome the greatest women martyr of India, Jhansi ki Rani Lakshmibai.
जय भवानी, जय भवानी। हम अपनी झांसी किसी को नहीं देंगे। यदि है किसी में साहस तो हमें छू कर दिखाए। हम एक एक फिल्म को काट कर रखेंगे। झांसी के वीर सैनिकों, आप सब जानते हैं कि रानी लक्ष्मीबाई अपनी तलवार किसी पर नहीं उठाना चाहती, पर इन फिरंगियों ने हमें विवश किया। और हम झांसी की रानी आपको ये विश्वास दिलाती है कि जब तक रानी लक्ष्मीबाई के शरीर में जान है, तब तक कोई भी उनकी झांसी नहीं छीन सकता। हर हर महादेव।
The name Madam Curie shines brightly among the names of male scientists, and she is the next to enter the stage.
Hi everyone, I am Marie Curie, born on 7 November 1867 and was a French, Polish physicist and chemist, famous for my pioneering research on radioactivity. I was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize and the first female professor at the University of Paris. My achievements are theory of radioactivity, discovery of two elements, polonium and radium, techniques for isolating radioactivity. Under my direction, the world's first studies were conducted into the neoplasm isotopes. As I have explored new things in science, you also explored new things in science. Thanks.
Now put your hands up for the first black president of United States of America and who put an end to the notorious terrorist Osama bin Laden with reform No Child Left Behind.
Hi everybody, this is Barack Hussein Obama, the current US president. As I'm the member of an education council, I've been given a chance to spend some time with you all. I'm here only for 5 minutes. In these 5 minutes, I'm going to tell you something about my experience. I was born in Florida, 1987 in Hawaii. I did my graduation from Columbia University and my post-graduation from Harvard Law School. After my post-graduation, I thought that America is best in every field. But I was wrong. Indians are giving equal competition to the Americans. In fact, I should say, Indians are snatching the golden chance from the hands of the Americans. You people are so lucky that you have been given chance to study in one of the world's best education patterns. So completely use the opportunity you have been given. Do or die for your motherland. Just keep one thing in mind. Thinkers form the history. But winners perform the history. Thanks and have a good day.
Now the next one is Malala Yousafzai, the girl who broke all the stereotypical barriers and stood for the right to education. Let's welcome her.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Malala Yousafzai, a school student and education activist, is here among you to aware all of you. I belong to the Mingora town in the Swat district of Pakistan. I am known for my education and women rights activism. On 9 October 2012, I was shot on my head and neck while returning from school. But I still continued my education despite threats. UN Secretary General Ban Ki-moon has announced that November 10 will be celebrated as Malala Day. As I have stand against Taliban's for girls' literacy, you all have to work on the same path. Shabak Khair.
Now next personality is going to be guessed by all the youngsters present over here. So let's guess who is the next personality.
The biggest risk is not taking any risk. In a world that is changing really quickly, the only strategy that is guaranteed to fail is not taking any risk. Hi guys, do you know me? I'm very famous in youngsters, but you will not recognize me as by my name, my dressing sense and my talking style. You will understand me as my invention, and that is Facebook, which is used by 175 million people in one day. I made this site as for fun among my friends, but soon it became the largest site to be browsed on net. By this site I'm being counting in top 100 richest men in the world, and by this site I got a lesson that two things define you: your patience when you have nothing and your attitude when you have everything. I want to suggest you one thing that I used to work on that path. So it is like that. What is the secret of success? Right decision. And how do we make right decision? Experience. And how do we get experience? It is wrong decision. So if you have done a wrong decision, leave that path and be forward ever. Now at last I want to say, study the past if you would define the future. Thank you.
Now it's time to welcome the daughter of the political dynasty which has ruled the world's largest democracy, that is India. Yes, it's Priyanka Gandhi.
Dear brothers and sisters, I am Priyanka Gandhi, daughter of Rajiv Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi, and granddaughter of Indira Gandhi. I am the chairperson of ruling UPA. I am very clear in my mind, politics is not a strong pull. The people are and I can do things for them without being in politics. Jai Hind, Jai Hind.
Now the next person coming on stage is very famous for her sports abilities. Let's see you can guess or not.
Hi friends, this is Sania Mirza, a professional Indian tennis player well known for my powerful forehand ground strokes. I was born on 15 November 1987 in Mumbai to my father Imran Mirza and my mother Nasima Mirza. On 12th April 2010, I got married with Shoaib Malik. He is Pakistani cricketer. I am Pakistani now. But I want to play. I want to serve for my motherland. And now I have decided to work for the upliftment of women. Thank you.
This was a great show. Give a huge round of applause for all the participants.